Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making these chicken wings that are baked yet crispy. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. Okay guys, so here's the list of ingredients you're going to need for this. Not many at all. Most of them you'll probably have on hand besides the wings. I have 4 packs of wings and they're cut into drums and flats. Depending on how many you need, how many you're feeding, it will depend on how many wings you need. Mine will feed a good 6 people. So this is based on 4 packs of wings, like I said, cut into drums and flats. So you're going to need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to need 2 teaspoons. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You could use kosher, is fine. You're going to need a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. But that's it, guys. That's all you're going to need for these wings. Alright guys, so I have my chicken wings here, and to this we're going to go ahead and put our olive oil. So remember, I said 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to put our 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to go ahead and give that a really good mix and get these really nice and coated. Okay, so what I have here is a lined foiled pan that we're going to go ahead and place all of our wings on so that we can go ahead and put our made rub on. What I did was I generously greased the pan with some spray pan, as well as just put a little bit of olive oil on it because we do not want the wings to stick. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to put our wings just on the pan like so. And then we're going to be putting our seasoning mix on there. Okay guys, so now that my wings are done, coated with the olive oil and the butter, I'm going to go ahead and start putting our rub on it, on each of the wings. And we're going to be cooking this in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. And the key to this is we're going to go ahead and flip them, each one, after 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning on now and show you what that looks like when we're done. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of olive oil on the tops, just a little drizzle. And then we got our rub here that we made. It smells really, really good. And like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and evenly coat these. We're going to flip them and then coat the other side as well with the rub. Alright guys, now that I did that, that looks great. They're nicely coated. And I forgot to tell you, I counted the 4 packages of wings. And you know, it's going to be give or take the size of the packages, obviously. But this is exactly 50 wings. And so this recipe is going to be good enough for 50 wings. All right, so again, we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven, 400 degrees. And like I said, flip them every 15 minutes. And I'll show you the first flip when it's been about 20 minutes in the oven initially. All right, guys, so my wings were in there initially for 20 minutes. I'm taking them out now for the first flip. They're looking really good. Don't get alarmed with all the juice. This will all absorb when the time is all done. All this juice will absorb. And it's actually good because you're putting, as you're flipping it, you're putting the wings back in the butter and oil, which is essentially coating them each time you flip them. And that's what's going to get them really, really crispy. So it's actually a good thing that it's making this juice. It smells delicious already. So just to recap, 400 degrees. Initially, you're going to flip it the first time after the 20-minute mark. And then you're going to flip them again every 15 minutes after until you've reached your hour and 15 minutes of total cooking time. So we're going to go ahead and finish flipping these. Stick them back in the oven. And we're going to be back in about 15 minutes to flip them again. Okay, so it's been another 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take these out and flip them again. See how they're looking. They're looking awesome. See, the juice is starting to absorb now, and it's starting to actually crisp up. And we're going to go ahead and flip these. And the next time you flip them should actually be the time that they're ready. So it's going to be, I think we have a little less than 30 minutes left on the clock. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make my homemade wing sauce. It's really quick, easy, just a couple of ingredients that you guys probably already have, and it's delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and finish flipping these, stick them back in the oven for the remainder time, and in the meantime, we'll go ahead and start our wing sauce. So I like Louisiana, or you can do Frank's regular hot sauce. You're going to need a little bit of mustard, some garlic powder, a little bit of butter, and some white distilled vinegar. And that's it. And we're going to go ahead and make my quick wing sauce. Put our butter in. Start melting the butter. And this is really a quick, easy buffalo wing sauce, and I love it. I wanted to go ahead and show you how I did my wing sauce. So you're going to go ahead and let that melt a little bit. All right, so while that's melting, we're going to go ahead and put our hot sauce. It's good for now. You know, you could always add. You can't take away, so I always like to start with a little bit. I'm going to do a half a cup of vinegar. I'm going to do a little bit of garlic powder and some mustard, just regular mustard. I'm going to whisk that all together. The butter's still melting. And, you know, just taste as you go, guys. Just, you know, like I said, you can always add to, but you can't take away from. So just keep on tasting until you get to the, you know, exact taste that you want. I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the hot sauce. See, to me, that tastes perfect. And just go ahead and let that heat up. And that's it. That's your wing sauce. It's that easy and quick. So like I said, you can use this recipe if you'd like. I'll go ahead and put it in the description box for you. And or you can just go ahead and use your favorite buffalo sauce. But I hope you try it, guys. I think you'll enjoy it. Okay guys, it's been exactly an hour and 15 minutes. I'm going ahead and taking my chicken wings out. It smells delicious. Look at that, guys. They're done. They're crispy. These are going to be absolutely amazing. The best part is they're not fried, they're baked, but yet they're still crispy, which is great. I hope you guys give these a try. They're absolutely delicious.